Hi everyone. Welcome to a new chapter of pure craftsmanship and bold elegance. Today, we invite you to discover the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Custom. A masterpiece we proudly call Royal Purple. Prepare to witness a custom creation where heritage, luxury, and cutting-edge design come together in a truly majestic form. When a customer dares to dream big, we get the green light to unleash our creativity without limits. And this time, we went all in, dressing our latest masterpiece in a robe of royal purple. Purple, the color of kings, emperors, and legends. In ancient times, those born to the throne were called porphyrogenitus, born into purple. Now, we're not claiming a crown for ourselves, but with this build, we proudly step into that tradition. Only, we made it a little easier to pronounce, Royal Purple. Take a moment. Kneel, if you must. Because what you're about to see isn't just another custom bike, it's a once-in-a-lifetime creation. It made its grand debut at the Custom Bike Show in Bad Salzuflen last year, where it turned heads and stole hearts. We celebrated that moment, but the story doesn't end there. Today, we're immortalizing Royal Purple, and sharing it with you. What makes this machine truly unforgettable? Let's start with the wheels. For this build, we developed a brand new manufacturing technique. At first glance, their design might remind you of our iconic 25th anniversary wheels, each one a monoblock milled from a single solid block of aluminum. But look closer. These surfaces aren't just your usual bicolor contrast of black and polished metal. Instead, you'll see the full spectrum, a rainbow of subtle reflections shimmering across every curve. This new finish comes to life especially on the massive 9-inch wide, 21-inch rear wheel, a stunning centerpiece that commands attention at every angle. Seated proudly on its exclusive throne, the Royal Purple is ready to meet its audience, and trust us, it demands more than just a passing glance. Thanks to our single-side Swingarm Kit, you get an unobstructed, full view of the right side. To truly appreciate the craftsmanship, you might want to kneel down and take it all in. Look closer, and you'll see more treasures. The pulley, part of our anniversary series, pairs with the spectacular perimeter brake disc, both mounted on the left for maximum visual impact. Hidden between them is the sleek strut holding our inside license plate. With this intricate, techno-inspired setup, the left side of the bike is actually even more captivating than the right. And this playful asymmetry? It starts right at the front. A single Streetmaster wave brake disc sits boldly on the left, more than enough for a king. With a mighty 340mm diameter, it perfectly matches the scale of the 23-inch anniversary wheel, keeping the proportions flawless. Thanks to our brake caliper adapter, stopping power is smooth and powerful, while the right side stays clean and pure, just like the rear. Above, the GRP front fender hugs the wheel tightly, and the GP longbow spoiler sweeps the lines forward with elegant aggression. And when it came to choosing a headlight, we didn't have to look far. The original Fat Boy housing fits the Royal Purple's character just right. Up top, we've crowned the bike with our Hollywood light handlebars, set neatly on a flat riser kit. Satin finished grips offer an incredible feel in your hands, topped off with precision drill toppers. The stripe indicators? Perfectly tucked away to keep the lines clean. At the rear, the attention to detail continues. The multifunctional rear lights are seamlessly integrated into our handcrafted steel rear fender, which flows naturally into the steel seat shell. The saddle itself is a masterpiece too, hand-stitched by the artisans at Spirit Leather, because when it comes to craftsmanship, we only settle for the best. To complete the look, Crew's design applied a stunning royal purple paint job, rich, deep, and almost born into nobility. Every bolt, every line, every inch of this machine radiates harmony and strength. And when the royal purple speaks, its voice booming through the Jekill and Hyde shortcuts, it doesn't ask for attention. It commands it. Loud, clear, and undeniable. Whether you understand the language of kings or not, one thing is certain: when you stand before royal purple, you will bow your head. Because its brilliance leaves no room for anything else. Thanks for watching.